Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English today is looking at may and might to talk about possible actions or happenings in the future. For example, I haven't decided where to go on holiday yet. I might go to Ireland. You can also say, I may go to Ireland. May is slightly more formal sounding than might, but the meaning is very, very similar. Another example. Take an umbrella with you. It might rain, meaning there's the possibility it might rain later. Take an umbrella with you. It might rain. The buses here don't always run on time, so we might have to wait a few minutes. You can make the negative with may not or might not or mightn't. Joanna may not go out tonight. She isn't feeling very well. Or there might not be enough time to discuss everything at the meeting. You can also say there mightn't be enough time. May and might in English, they are easy peasy with Uncle Geoff. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. Bye-bye for now.